Hello viewers, how are you? I think you are all right to watch my video. So welcome to my channel Cloud Designer. This is the part 2 of potato chips packaging design. In this design, I show you how to place your design in a mockup. Hello viewers, so let's do this. First of all, you thinking about the client what you want to tell you. Client tell you to design a package level that I do in the first part of this video, but sometimes we have to do more for client satisfaction and make it more so good and more good looking. We use mockup for this. Now you can see I use a mockup. Today I show you that first part of all I selected the front part of and separate it my design. I save it as a JPG. You can export as a JPG in Adobe Illustrator. After that I use Photoshop for open my mockup. Design that I downloaded before, you can find the download link in my video description. After opening the mockup, you can click here to release the new tab. Release a new tab. Here you can see I click here and release a new tab. I place my design here that I saving before. To place that, just save. You can see your package is ready, and this is a very simple way that you will do it properly. I think you will do it properly. In my next video I show you how to design a mockup and details about it. So keep watching my video, like, comments and share. Also subscribe my channel if you're new here. So all the best. Thank you all.